How to record shows on Spectrum TV app. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can record shows on using the Spectrum TV or the Spectrum TV application. Now this is actually an additional feature of the Spectrum TV subscription. All you have to do at first before you go in and start recording is make sure that you have Cloud DVR added into your Spectrum TV so that you can store and access over the internet on the Spectrum TV app on your certain recordings. So first is log in and open up your Spectrum TV application. Make sure to log in. And then all you have to do once you've already added Cloud DVR is head straight into the specific TV show that you'd like or to be recorded. Tap on that show and then you will be seeing two options, cancel and record. Choose on record and you're good to go. If you would like to access all your recordings, you just have to go into my DVR and you should be able to see all the recordings that you did. And that's it. That's how you record shows on Spectrum TV app.